Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. The first faucet we are going to take a look at today is Faucets XYZ. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay email and logging in. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard on the left side. On your dashboard you can see you have plenty of ways to earn. You have the manual faucet, auto faucet, Shortlinks offer wall and PTC. Click on manual faucet. Now solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Once you've completed the CAPTCHA, collect your reward. Your balance at the top should be credited. Now let's move over to PTC. Just click on one of the window ads and visit the website until the timer is done. Now solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. This faucet has over 70 pay-to-click ads. That's enough to keep you busy for a while. Collect your reward and do this for all the other ads. Now go back to your dashboard on the main home page. You will see Withdraw at the bottom center. Select USDT and withdraw your coins to Faucet Pay. If you don't have a Faucet Pay wallet, get one by clicking on the link in the description below. Next up is Faucet Toshi. After you log in, you will see your dashboard on the left as usual. Now go back to your dashboard on the main home page. Your main balance is in the middle of the home page. Okay, now let's click on Faucet. Solve the CAPTCHA. Collect your coins and check your balance to make sure it's updated. Next, go to your PTC section on the dashboard. Faucet Toshi has over 30 ads to click, which is a good amount to get you started. Once you're finished watching the ads and claiming from the faucet, you are going to want to withdraw. Go back to your home page and select the coin you want to withdraw. Fill out the amount in the box at the bottom of the page and withdraw to Faucet Pay. Faucet Toshi has over a dozen coins you can choose from. Okay, once you confirm your withdrawal, you want to check your history and make sure it's not pending. Now log into your Faucet Pay account and check your payout history and balance to confirm your deposit. It's that easy. You can sign up to these websites by clicking on the links in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.